Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome. I am Mareisa, and in today's video, I'll be cooking a prison meal. So sit back and relax and watch me do a prison meal. Yeah.
But I cannot take your place, I cannot take your space. This fact I cannot erase. Ooh, Lord, ooh, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are.
But before you watch this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Press the post notification bell next to it so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. We're on the road to 5K. Let's get it. Yeah, but yes, they say from a friend of mine that went to prison, but he didn't went to prison for anything that is bad, like bad. He went to school for puff puff pass, puff puff pass. So I usually call him a prison friend, but he don't like that. But he definitely be watching this video. So friend, you know, he's my friend. Oh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mash the ramen, and he said he had to put it on the ground and like mash it. How it tastes exactly like how it tastes, like prison food. So I'm gonna take the ramen and I'm gonna stamp it with my feet on the ground, right? So let's do it. So there's the ramen and I'm gonna mash it with my feet. And you have to mash it until like it gets like really fine. So I'll be doing at this for a while. It popped. Yeah, so now my ramen pop on the ground. I'm gonna use this and continue like getting it into like fine pieces because we want it as fine as possible. So I've been going at this for a while now, and this is how it's looking. This is how it's looking. I've been going at it for a while, so they are mashed up, right? Next, we're going to be mashing up the cheese balls, but these don't require much. That's what then you're just pressing them because I don't know how it to just do, you know. So I'm going to mash this up until it come like fine. The thing is, it told me a piece of cheese. It told me a piece of cheese. So I don't know how much. So I guess you can't get a big piece of cheese when you're locked up, so I'm gonna use that amount. I'm gonna grate it. Yeah, so I grated the cheese, and let's see how the cheese balls is looking. So this is how the cheese balls is looking. I'm gonna mash it up a little bit more finer because everything is not mashed up. Right, so let me mash it up finer. So there's the cheese balls, and they say the spicy one, so it's very hot, right? Good. So I'll put some wrong way for like this, right? So we have the cheese balls, we have spicy cheese balls, and we have the ramen that is already mashed up. And he said he take the ramen and he put it inside of the spicy and cancel or whatever, right? So I saw this video was going around, a couple of people did it. So I remember, oh, I had a friend that like went to prison, he asked him what he ate when he was in prison. So this is how it looking. Then I got to shake it up together. But we have to put in the cheese. 1 minute. So we're gonna drop the cheese in there. The cheese, ramen, I'm gonna shake up everything together. So the cheese was very lumpy at the top, so I had to take my spoon and spin it around. Right? And this is how it's looking. It's you know what? Let me show you hot water. He then threw hot water inside of the package. So let me get the hot water. So this is how it's looking, and I'm supposed to throw this hot water inside of it. I guess the hot water is supposed to like coat the ramen. you know. So let me get the hot water together, right? The funny thing is I didn't tell him I was gonna make this video. So we're gonna try the water. It's so hot. Wait, let's go. Easy does it. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. Oi, 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 the bag hot. Ah! The struggle is real. Ah! So the water is coming. Now it's staying in. He didn't lie. The water is in the bag. It's not coming out. So, okay. Okay, so the good thing about it is the hot water stayed inside of the bag. So we know it's the truth. And you don't really like fib like that though. So it's too hot for me to shake up. So I'm going to use this spoon and I'm going to mix it together. Then I'm going to throw it out in a plate. Will you eat it from the bag? I'm going to throw it out in the plate now because it's so freaking hot. I think I should eat it in the bag. For thumbnail's sake. Okay. Come, there we go. We keep it in there. So I guess this had to stay in there a while. I think it's supposed to leave it in there. Is it 3 minutes? Until the ramen cook. The hot water is for cook the ramen. The story behind it, what he said, right? He had the Cheeto and he could have eaten the Cheeto by itself. But he was so hungry that he wanted something solid in his stomach. So combining everything together was solid to keep him like overnight. Yeah, and I guess like you see the videos and them that people in prison usually do like similarity. Yeah, it just means we have like different stuff. So I'm gonna mix it and leave it in there a while until it cook. Look at how it's looking. See the Cheeto, everything melt inside it. All the cheese balls melt and the cheese melt between. This is just the ramen we're waiting for to cook. Yeah. So I'm scared to taste this. It's the honest truth, but I gotta taste it. Can't make it and then taste it. That's okay. Okay, and the ramen is cooked. Let me taste it. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. It ain't all about the cheese and the spiciness and the it ain't all about. It's not something that I'll do home. I'll try again, but if I'm in prison, I'll eat it. And I have to eat it, I'll eat it. Because it's solid too, right? The bag is very heavy and it ain't bad. Well, look. Just the spiciness. The spiciness start to come up. So if you like spice, but it ain't bad. So, big up my friend who told me about this recipe. You know, I want to do it again. But something like if I'm in a situation and I have to eat it, then I'll eat it, right? You have to eat it, I'll eat it. So Yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, do all the good stuff, subscribe, follow me, start me down on Instagram and all of those stuff. The link will be down in the description. Press the post notification bell, do all that good stuff. I'll see you guys on the next video. And I'm out. Peace. Oh, and remember to be you, do you, and you'll be happy. And I'm out this thing.